Hey grippers, welcome back to the Def Grip Garage. If you own a KTM with Brembo brakes, chances are you've went to go for a ride and discovered you don't have a front brake or your front brake is very soft. In this quick video, I'm going to show you a technique to try to quickly fix that issue, and then I'm going to walk you through a proven way to prevent it from happening in the first place. If this video is helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. You guys know the drill. Let's go. As you guys know, front brakes on a modern KTM are really good. They do have one annoying issue though. They'll get, especially if the bike sits a few days, they'll get a little bit of air in the master cylinder, and then you'll come out and you won't have a front brake, or you'll have a really soft front brake. So you're getting ready to go for a ride with your buddies, jump on the bike, you grab your front brake, all the way back to the bar. Wah, wah, wah. What are we going to do now? If your bike had good front brakes last time you rode it, chances are they don't need bled. You don't need to create that big mess. What you want to do is you want to put the bike over on its side stand. You want to turn the handlebars all the way to the left. You want to get, basically what you want to do is get your master cylinder as high in the air as you possibly can. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to flick the brake lever. You're going to do this for 30 seconds to a minute, and you should be able to get a good front brake back. My 300 XCW had this issue. This 350 EXCF has had the issue every time that's been able to fix it. An even better way is to prevent it in the first place. So what I do is if the bike's going to sit for a few days, again, you want it on its side stand. You want the master cylinder as high as you can. Then what you're going to do is you're going to strap that lever back while it sits. So you can either use a zip tie, pull that back, and then just leave it that way for overnight, few days, whatever it is. Next time you go for a ride, cut the zip tie, and you're going to have a great front brake. Alternatively, it may be even easier. If you have a rubber band, you can pull the rubber band around. It's going to pull that lever back. It doesn't have to be pulled back crazy tight or anything. And again, it's going to leave just enough. It's going to have it pulled back just enough that it'll let any air out of that master cylinder, and you'll have a great front brake next time you go for a ride. I'll even throw a rubber band in my toolkit, and if I'm on a multi-day ride, as the bike sits in the hotel parking lot overnight or at the campground overnight, I'll put the rubber band on there, and that way I know I'm going to have a good brake the next day. Experience is priceless, but I'm sharing it for free. Become a gripper, like, subscribe, comment, and share. This channel is going to cover a lot of great content regarding KTM EXCFs, Honda XR650Ls, BMW GSs, along with a lot of great content on dual sport and adventure riding. I like to end my videos with a toast. In order to know how fast you can go, sometimes you have to find out how fast you can't go. Until next time, cheers.